Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this item that I recently got from IV Organics. They make organic fertilizer amongst other things, and it's meant to help your plants, flowers, fruits, veggies, and more grow healthy, wealthy, and strong. Let's open it up and check it out. Now I did get the Trio gift box, and when you open it up you can see that we got some real nice custom well-designed product packaging here. Got a real nice big graphic on the inside, talks about their YouTube channel and all the other different social media outlets and where you can find them. Yeah, as you go around we got some nice quotes on the front side here, and then internally we've got our flyer. Right, I got my fertilizer and my other product here. Some sustainable packing, so overall real nice unboxing experience. Now let's look at the fertilizer first. So we've got a nice all-purpose organic fertilizer, and this product in particular contains all 6 plant macronutrients versus 3, which is typical in most garden fertilizers. So when you look at the number up here, it says 333, and it could be different on all sorts of different types of fertilizers, like 9412 or something like that. All that really does is just represent what the blend is in the bag. So most other fertilizers only contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and this is going to contain an additional 3 out of all of those macronutrients. So if we look at the back, not only are we getting nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, we're also getting magnesium, sulfur, and calcium, plus azomite, which comes from crushed volcanic rock for macronutrient nutrition as well. Now there's instructions on the back with how much to use where and what type of application. I have a little garden in the kitchen. I've got some pepper plants growing. I actually planted them at the end of last spring, and it took them almost the entire summer and part of fall to actually start growing. So I ripped them out of the ground, I brought them inside, and I put them under a grow light, and now they're starting to fruit. So I'm excited to add this, see how that helps them out, and we're gonna check back in a week or two and see what the results are with that. Last but not least, we got the 3-in-1 plant guard, either in the ready-to-use spray bottle, or we've got the pint can here, which has like a powder inside, and you can make a solution. There's instructions and information on how to best use it depending on your particular application. But you take the bottle here, you spray this on the plant. It's going to help with transplant shock. Yes, it'll help with acclimation from indoors to outdoors, aka hardening. Yes, weather extremes, and even keep your plants pest-free organically. Now, the pint can makes up to 5 gallons of ready-to-use solution. It can also be used to make tree paste or a brush-on solution. It does come in a variety of different colors as well: white, brown, green, gray, or greige. All right, so it's been a little over a week since we fertilized and sprayed the plants, and I think overall everything's looking good. We're getting some nice dark greener colors here towards the center, and all of my pepper plants are currently fruiting. So I've been growing them indoors, but all of the peppers actually look a lot healthier than they were. They were starting to dry on the vine. So now I'm bringing them outside as well. I'm starting to harden them because it's starting to be spring here on the East Coast. So I'm really excited to get the garden set up, because you can see now it's starting to thaw out, and actually the only thing that survived was my thyme plant. But now we're going to start to get more items. I'm going to use the fertilizer to fertilize the garden bed ahead of time, so that when I start transplanting and buying new products from Home Depot or wherever, they're going to have a good, healthy start.